With more pleasant weather out there, the low humidity and plenty of sunshine, but our eyes are going to be drawn to our next weather maker coming through Wednesday night into Thursday morning. More on that in just a minute. Right now, though, outside we do have some mostly clear skies, just some high clouds across the area. 66 degrees our temperature now. The dew point of 61 is definitely a dry, more comfortable morning out there across our region. Not as dry as we've been of late, but still nothing too bad out there. It's 60 degrees in Belle Chase with 58 in Galliano and 54 to 56 north of the lake from Hammond, Bogalusa, and Slidell. Definitely a nice, refreshing start to the day for many of you. Temperatures north of the lake about anywhere from 7 to 8 degrees cooler compared to yesterday at this time. Kenner a couple degrees cooler at 2, but anywhere from 4 to 9 degrees cooler from Houma, Galliano to Belle Chase this morning. Now, what to expect after the refreshing morning? Warm but less humid weather continues today. Not quite as cool tonight, and then strong to severe storms are likely as we get into Thursday morning. So really Wednesday night into Thursday morning, need to keep a close eye on this here. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Right now, though, looking at temperatures in the 60s here on the South Shore, 50s north of the lake through 7 a.m., back to the 70s by 9 a.m., quickly warming up to near 80 by lunchtime with a lot of sunshine out there. We'll get to about 83 degrees in Hammond to Kenner to Lakefront, Belle Chase area, maybe 84 Slidell and Houma. A little bit warmer today as more easterly winds return. This is going to be above our normal high of 79 degrees for the day today. Now, we just have a couple of those high clouds over top of us, making it mostly clear this morning. And we'll see more of that throughout the day as high pressure sitting right to our north, right over top of the Arklamis area. Little front to our north stays up there. A little disturbance to the west of us, not really doing anything either at this point as well, too. But we'll be watching as our next system that's going to be developing off the west coast of the United States. That's this trough you see here in this little low kind of spinning over part of California. That is going to be heading our way and helping to spark off some severe weather. There's the low kind of right over top of the Las Vegas area. And as that moves on in, that'll bring us a cold front on Thursday with some strong to severe storms possible, including some heavy rain, and the timing kind of really Wednesday night into Thursday morning to about the midday part of the morning hours there. So you'll see precision cast shows fairly quiet weather out there today as high pressure kind of lifts off to the north of us, and you'll see overall a lot of sunshine for us throughout the day as well. Little warm front kind of skirts by north of us Wednesday morning, increasing that humidity, and southerly winds start returning a little later on the day Wednesday, making it more humid as more clouds build in. You can see some of these thunderstorms developing here back just off to the north of Shreveport area. As we get on into Wednesday night into Thursday morning, here comes a cold front, likely a squall line of thunderstorms developing here with the front kind of just back off to our west here by 6 a.m. And as we get on in throughout the day, you'll see here by 9 a.m. that squall line is moving on through. These storms could produce some damaging winds and can't rely maybe a couple tornadoes, especially if any storms do pop up out ahead of the line. So we'll be watching this pretty closely as we get into Thursday. Again, this is 9 o'clock in the morning. And then as we go throughout the day on Thursday, by midday into the afternoon, still dealing with some showers and thunderstorms. Finally, that rain comes to an end by Thursday night as high pressure builds in for Friday. So right now we are saying there Wednesday night into Thursday, severe weather very possible across our area. You can see here we do have that risk of severe weather there. A marginal risk on Wednesday night, so low end risk here for some strong winds. It can't roll maybe a tornado or two, mainly off north of Baton Rouge, but then that does increase to a slight risk to almost enhanced risk from the Mississippi coast heading on into Thursday. So we are going to see a big change coming there. So our forecast, it looks like this for today. There you can see 83 today and tomorrow, but there's Thursday. Going to keep an eye on that weather as that front moves on in. Some of these storms could be strong to severe.